Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Looking to start your own condom manufacturing business or looking to grow your existing business, there are plenty of options you can get your condom manufacturing business up and running in no time. You must watch the entire video with us and you will be running your very own condom manufacturing business before you know it. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. What is condom? Condoms are essential tools for preventing the spread of sexually transmitted diseases or STDs such as gonorrhea, syphilis and HIV, and they are useful in preventing unwanted pregnancies as well. As such, there is an ever-increasing demand for condoms. If you are looking to start your own business, consider entering the condom manufacturing industry. Overview of condom manufacturing process. In condom manufacturing process, latex is passed through metal holes in rollers, which make it thinner and shiny. Then it is dried and colored by applying different colors with natural oils. This makes it smooth and also adds its flexibility. The size of condoms can be adjusted according to our need by adding or removing rubber from them before they are filled with various liquids for making them slippery. Before these condoms are packed in packets or boxes, they go through several quality checks so that you get only good quality products. Market size of condoms. The condom market is worth over $7 billion and expected to expand at a CAGR of 8.42%. This figure is expected to grow even larger as more people around the world continue adopting safe sex practices. Rising awareness regarding the use of condoms, the availability of different types of condoms to suit consumers' needs, and measures to reduce the spread of HIV and other STIs are likely to boost the market growth during the forecast period. In addition, the free distribution of condoms by government organizations is expected to drive the market. Advantage of starting a condom manufacturing business. First, condoms are used in more than 110 countries around the world, meaning there is an established market for your product. Moreover, they are easy to transport and don't need refrigeration, making them an ideal choice for distribution in poorer countries where people struggle with access to electricity. Finally, condoms are very inexpensive to make, allowing you to produce high volumes at low cost. If you can sell these products profitably on a large scale, condom manufacturing could be very lucrative indeed. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities, such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from our project reports. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which may be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also click on the bell icon. You can also comment us about this video. Please visit to our website for more information. And you can also reach us at. You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.